Can you guys smile? Okay, we're gonna try and go to a Halloween party tonight at my brother's church. Hopefully Anna and I can hold back from the candy because we bought a bag and we each already had like 3 pieces. What do you got?
A necklace.
You got pretty shoes and a crown. Which princess are you?
Ariel.
This is the cowboy.
Ah.
You got a hat? Okay, we're getting ready to go to our first Halloween party with Theo and Giselle. Can you say hi, guys?
Hi.
Chocolate? Giselle, are we gonna go play games? Theo, try and roll it. Okay, it's Friday morning. I took the day of work off. We were going to go to Mount Rainier, but I don't think we have enough cold weather clothing, so we're going to instead go to Franklin Falls. We're going to try a 1-mile hike with the kids. I might end up carrying them a bunch, but it should be a pretty fun little hike to try. Here we are, we're hiking to Franklin Falls, so we'll see how it goes. You guys ready? Okay, we made it to the falls. We're on our way back now. It wasn't as bad as we thought, but we'll see because we still got a mile hike to go to the car. Come on, Bauer. Giselle started off crying, but then she figured it out and started having fun. Of course, bribed her with lots of lollipops and whatnot. And the falls was pretty neat, so hopefully this trip back, or the hike back, is better. Giselle's actually screaming with delight up there because she's got a lollipop. This is me and Theo. He got a little bit tired, so now I'm carrying him on my shoulders. So now I get a good workout on this hike. We're on our way home. What'd you think of our hike, Anna?
I thought it was really fun.
How'd the kids do?
They did great. Giselle did amazing. Theo was pretty good.
He did pretty good.
He had some moments. It was slightly treacherous in some parts, but overall it was really fun.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job.
Anna isn't the only one that's in nesting mood right now.
feeding your baby?
A baby.
Can you give her a hug?
And give her kisses.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's Saturday morning. I've been home with the kids most of the morning because they woke up really early and Anna went to a friend's house. I'm just kind of getting cabin fever because it's raining really hard outside, so we're all stuck inside for the day. So I'm gonna go for a run. Anna's in full-on nesting mode, so when I get back I think we're gonna paint a mural on the wall. The kids are gonna share a room, and so Anna wants to do like a mountain mural in there. Alright, it is really raining hard here right now. About 1.5 miles into my run. I always do short runs because I was a sprinter. The rest of this month and next month in December is just gonna be crazy busy. Anna's got conferences and I've got a couple of work trips, so it should be fun to vlog about those. Then we got the Christmas season, and December is just gonna be really crazy. So kind of looking forward to record all this and get it into vlogs because it should be pretty fun. Gotta finish my run now.